when we talk about investment, we have to invest what we can lose.
Yes.
Right? If you try to invest the money that you cannot lose, then you will have sleepless nights.
Yes. It's like gambling in a way. It's like gambling. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah.
So I will say, just you can invest Bitcoins and other stuff or alternate coins, the smaller coins that is not going so high, like promising coins like Cardano or Ethereum. I actually bought some Ethereum, but a little bit.
Yeah.
Where the money you can lose and you can sleep at night. Instead of. But if you were to invest a lot of money and borrow money to invest,
that doesn't make sense. Advice. Yeah, that's a bad advice because you can't expect to be like, okay, I'm gonna borrow someone's money and then be rich the next day. Like life does not work. That's the
mentality to the newer generation.
I know, FOMOing in and thinking that things are gonna turn out, which like sometimes people get lucky, but it's not, like, especially with
only few people get lucky, right? Yeah. Who wins the lottery every day? It's like all of tens of millions win the lottery. So usually it's just not, it's not impossible, but it's just not practical to do it. So just invest wisely, invest while you know it.
Yeah, how much, at least.
And then with the money you can afford to lose.
Yeah.
And that way, if you win, that's good. If you you lose, you're not gonna be taking so much risk.
I also think it's very important, like, obviously, like putting the money that you afford to lose, but also like knowing what you're investing. Right. That's like you feel confident. Even if you lose the process, you feel a little bit more confident. And I think being an investor, you have to be very psychologically driven, and like you don't want to go crazy through the process of it. So like knowing like your investments is so important, especially even like when it comes to like ETFs, like stocks. Like you got to know the company, you got to know like the progression, right? And like it's so important to know that, so you feel more confident as an investor. But even if you lose, it's not gonna stress you out as much, but it will still stress you out. But compared to like, okay, I'm just gonna put in, and then you're gonna like literally cry the next day and like freak out because of the crash. So